The thing is, 2 years ago, I met Jesus Christ in a dream he gave me. The dream was very short. We talked to each other, and to describe how he looked like, he had black long hair to the shoulders, he had dark skin, and I could only see him. Everything was dark, total dark, but Jesus Christ is the light. So that was probably why I only could see him. He smiled to me with a love that's hard to explain. I could feel how much he loved me, and I know many people who don't want to read everything from the Bible, that they who like to cherry pick from the Bible. They say that it's a shame to have a long hair, and Jesus Christ could not have long hair because it's a shame. But they have not really read the Bible, everything from the Bible, because it says it's not a shame. But now I will read from the Bible here what the Bible says about this. Paulus in the Bible wrote this. This is in the 1 Corinthians chapter 11 verse 13. It's very important that you listen on verse 16, because Christians who cherry pick the Bible, they love to read verse 13, 14 and 15, but they don't want to read verse 16. So remember verse 16, it's very important. I read here, "Judge in yourselves. Is it comely that a woman pray unto God uncovered?" Verse 14, "Doth not even nature itself teach you that if a man have long hair, it is a shame unto him?" Verse 15, "But if a woman have long hair, it is a glory to her, for her hair is given her for a covering." Verse 16, "But if any man seem to be continuous, we have no such custom, neither the churches of God." So here it says it does not have such a custom. So if people want to argue about this, I just tell you this, read verse 16. It's not a shame. They don't have such a custom. If it was a shame, it would have been such a custom. So if you want to argue, I say read verse 16. And I also say, I have met Jesus Christ in a dream and he had long hair. Is Jesus Christ a shame? No, he is not. Jesus bless you.